Did you know that a single referral could earn you over a whopping $200 in some affiliate programs? That's right, in the vast realm of affiliate marketing, there's gold waiting to be discovered. Today, we're diving deep into the 7 highest paying affiliate products out there. We'll unveil those glittering treasures that have been changing the financial game for countless affiliate marketers. Stay with us if you're curious about where the real money lies and how you can potentially tap into these lucrative streams. This isn't just about numbers, it's about aligning passion with profit. Number 1. Web hosting services. Web hosting services are among the most lucrative products in the affiliate marketing space. Bluehost, for instance, is a household name in this sector. With the increasing number of businesses going digital, having a website has become a fundamental necessity. Bluehost has been a leading choice for many. It offers a variety of hosting plans suitable for both beginners and large businesses. The company is known for its excellent uptime, customer service, and seamless integration with WordPress. In terms of commission structure, Bluehost offers affiliates anywhere from $65 to $125 for every successful referral. This amount can increase depending on the volume and performance of an affiliate. But it's not just about the payout. The company provides a range of promotional materials, making it easier for affiliates to market their services. Coupled with a high conversion rate, thanks to Bluehost's credibility in the industry, it offers affiliates the perfect storm for high earnings. Moreover, web hosting is a recurring need for businesses. This means that customers acquired through affiliate marketing are likely to stay with the company for the long term, ensuring steady income and increasing lifetime value. Considering these factors, promoting web hosting services like Bluehost can be an incredibly lucrative venture for affiliate marketers. Number 2. Software as a Service or SaaS. In the digital age, software solutions are solving a myriad of problems. ClickFunnels is a prime example of a high-paying SaaS affiliate product. This tool allows businesses to build sales funnels that increase conversion rates, manage customer relationships, and drive sales. Its drag-and-drop interface combined with a suite of other integrated tools makes it an indispensable asset for many digital marketers. As an affiliate for ClickFunnels, you can expect a 40% recurring commission for every customer you bring on board. This is significant, especially when you consider that some of ClickFunnels' packages are priced at $297 a month. Imagine earning a cut from that, month after month. Furthermore, the company offers sticky cookies. This means if a potential customer clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase later, you still get the commission. The beauty of promoting SaaS products like ClickFunnels lies in the value they bring to businesses. Given that these tools are essential for daily operations, customer retention rates are high. As an affiliate, this translates to sustained recurring income over longer durations. Pair this with a generous commission structure, and you understand why SaaS affiliate products are among the highest paying in the industry. Number 3. Online courses and educational platforms. The e-learning industry has witnessed a meteoric rise, and platforms like Teachable are at the forefront. Teachable allows experts and educators to create and sell online courses. As the thirst for knowledge in various niches grows, platforms like this offer invaluable resources for learners worldwide. Affiliates partnering with Teachable can expect to earn a 30% recurring commission. Considering course creators pay monthly fees to keep their courses hosted on Teachable, this can translate into a substantial income. And it's not just about the creators. As the platform grows in popularity, more students are flocking to it in search of quality courses, thus increasing the potential pool of referrals. Teachable offers a compelling product, a platform where anyone can monetize their knowledge. This democratization of education is a powerful draw for many. As an affiliate, promoting a platform that empowers both educators and learners is not just lucrative, but also fulfilling. With Teachable's reputation for quality and ease of use, affiliates have a golden opportunity to tap into a rapidly expanding market with huge earning potential. Number 4. Financial and investment platforms. Platforms like eToro have revolutionized the way we think about investing. eToro is a social trading platform that allows users to mimic the trading strategies of successful investors, making the world of stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies more accessible to the average person. Affiliates promoting eToro can earn substantial commissions. The platform operates on a CPA or cost per acquisition model, where affiliates can earn up to $200 for every referred user who makes a deposit. This is substantial, especially when you consider in the global appeal of a platform like eToro. eToro's unique selling proposition is its social trading feature. This not only demystifies the complex world of trading, but also offers a sense of community, making it appealing to both novice and experienced traders. For affiliates, this means a broader audience to target, and consequently, greater earning potential. Promoting a trusted platform that opens up the world of finance to the masses is a win-win for both affiliates and their audiences. Number 5. Luxury fashion affiliates. For those with an audience interested in high-end fashion, platforms like Net-a-Porter's affiliate program can be a goldmine. This luxury online fashion retailer stocks products from over 800 top designers, catering to an upscale clientele looking for the latest and greatest in fashion. Net-a-Porter offers affiliates a commission of up to 10% on every sale, and given the high ticket price of luxury items, this can add up very quickly. Imagine earning a commission from a $2,000 designer handbag or a $5,000 evening gown. However, it's not just about the high commission. The luxury fashion market is built on trust and reputation. Platforms like Net-a-Porter have invested heavily in curating a luxurious online shopping experience, from the range of designers they stock to the quality of their customer service. For affiliates, this means higher conversion rates as their audience is presented with an unmatched luxury shopping experience. Number 6. Health and wellness supplements. The health and wellness industry is booming, with more individuals prioritizing their well-being. Companies like Organifi offer a range of superfood blends that cater to this growing demand. Their products, ranging from green juices to protein powders, are known for their quality and efficacy. Affiliates partnering with Organifi can look forward to a generous 30% commission on every sale. Given the repeat purchase nature of health supplements and the brand loyalty Organifi enjoys, this can result in significant earnings over time. The appeal of promoting health and wellness products lies in their universal demand. Everyone desires better health, vitality, and wellness. Organifi's commitment to quality, organic ingredients ensures that affiliates are promoting a product that truly benefits their audience. This alignment of values, health, integrity, and profitability, makes health and wellness supplements like Organifi a top choice for affiliate marketers. Number 7. High-end electronics and gadgets. The tech world is always abuzz with the latest gadgets and innovations. Brands like DJI, known for their industry-leading drones, offer affiliate programs that can be highly lucrative. With the growing popularity of aerial photography and the expanding application of drones in various industries, products like those from DJI have seen soaring demand. DJI's affiliate program offers commissions of up to 8% on their products. Given that some of their high-end drones can cost upwards of $1,500, this translates to significant earnings per sale. The company also provides affiliates with promotional materials, ensuring they have the tools needed to market effectively. In promoting high-end electronics, it's essential to consider the product's reputation and quality. DJI is renowned for its cutting-edge technology and durability. Affiliates can confidently promote their products, knowing that they're offering their audience the very best in the market. With the continuous advancements in technology and the ever-present appetite for the latest gadgets, high-end electronics remain a lucrative niche for affiliate marketing. And that's a wrap! Who knew the world of affiliate marketing had such golden opportunities lurking? If you enjoyed this treasure hunt as much as we did, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more financial gold mines. Until next time, keep exploring and keep earning. Cheers!